we are going to introduce our Sound Blaster Play for a portable audio adapter. Okay, and now we are going to start unboxing. I want to share with you some special feature. There is this SmartComms Kit function. Okay, what is SmartComms Kit actually? So it's actually a suite of smart communications feature or functions that you can use, which I'll be sharing with you next in a short while. Okay, the first function that I'll be letting you know will be that there is this auto mute function. And the second feature that I want to highlight to you is that there's this two-way noise cancellation feature. Okay, so we're going to start to unbox our Sound Blaster Play for this portable audio adapter. Very simple and easy, very small packaging, and you can see from here there's like a quick start guide, okay, done out by our product team, as well as a manual for you. Okay, we work very hard to make sure that our product is always good to show all of you. And now you can see our Sound Blaster Play for our audio adapter here. And there's two buttons here that I'll be sharing with you in a while, and it comes with a complimentary USB-A adapter. Okay, so this is for you to actually plug to your laptop if your laptop doesn't have a USB-C port. Okay, so I'm taking this out for you now to take a look. Okay, very small and easy to bring along, very portable. You can just slide into your pocket. Alright, okay, the first one that I'll be talking to you about will be the auto mute function, which it has this special feature that is called the voice detect function. Okay, so it helps to actually auto detect your voice when you are talking and not talking. So our Sound Blaster Play 4 will actually auto mute yourself when you are not talking, and you will unmute yourself when you are talking. This is helpful when you are in a conference call, as if, for example, in a conference call of like more than 3 or 4 person, okay, and you can actually auto and unmute yourself here and there. You do not want your colleague to hear like background noises from your home or even in office when surrounding your colleagues are actually talking on the phone as well. So this is a very good feature. It is called the auto mute function, okay, and the second feature that I'll be talking to you about will be the two-way noise cancellation. This is actually very useful for the conference call. Why? Because it helps to reduce the static background noises from both ends, which is from the incoming or the outgoing audios. Okay, so there is like noise clean in and noise clean out. So example of static background noises, right, can be like a vacuum cleaner noise or a hairdryer noise, or even like a fan blowing from your bag, or even the air conditioning noise, right, that you have from your home or even in office. So the two-way noise cancellation, right, will be a helpful feature, right, that is useful for your conference call, and it will boost your productivity at work. Hi everyone, this is Kayla here again. So as mentioned just now, right, for our Sound Blaster Play 4, we want to demonstrate to you the two-way noise cancellation feature under our SmartComms Kit. So I actually have a mini vacuum cleaner with me here. I'm going to on it to let you experience and feel how does a vacuum cleaner static noise sounds like when you're working from home or even in office. Okay, I'm going to on it now. It is very loud, right? It will be very distracting when you are having a conference call with the vacuum sound happening around you. Okay, so I'm going to on the noise clean out function now. And I think that it has reduced significantly the noise after I've on it. So this is how we want to demonstrate to you how is it like. So let's go back to continue unbox Sound Blaster Play 4. Okay, and yeah. The third feature that I want to talk to you about will be the EQ buttons, right, with the two sound mode that is already input on the Sound Blaster Play 4 itself. Okay, the two sound mode that I'll be sharing with you is, the first one will be the dynamic boost, the second one will be called the bass boost. Okay, so I think this works well with a lot of type of content that you are listening to, like your music or movie or even gaming. For the dynamic boost, right, it actually expands the sound stage of the music content or the content that you're watching, okay? And for the bass boost itself, right, it will give you a richer and a deeper bass, okay? I think this will be suitable for when you're listening to your music or songs that you really like, okay? And what's more, right, our Sound Blaster Play 4, this portable audio adapter, is very lightweighted. It's only 8.3 grams. You can just slide into a pocket and just head out to your office. Okay, and I will recommend you to actually download our Creative app, because you can customize your SmartComms Kit module and it can be customized based on your preference. So this is what we recommend you and hope that you will be purchasing our Sound Blaster Play 4.